Hello, it's Ulianka, and in today's video I'm going to show you Cameleon's neon palette, which is called Adult Party Box. It includes 6 paints, 5 of them are neons, and I love Cameleon neon colors, not only because they are very bright under normal light, but also because under UV light they reflect their own color, especially white. This is one of my favorite brands for white neons. So let's try them on, and if you want to get a sample, I would suppose this one will be great to start with. If you haven't worked with UVs, you also need UV light, special black light for to activate them if you want to use them in the dark, but otherwise you can use them normally in the daylight and they'll be very bright. Let's start doing some samples.
Before we start, please like, subscribe and click the bell button to know when I post. I make a variety of time lapses, makeup tutorials and product reviews. So if that's what you enjoy, this is the channel for you. This black is a regular black, but it's very useful for outlining when you're painting in UV light. UV white is not very visible in daylight, and you can play tricks with it being invisible. The rest of the colors are very visible and very bright in regular light. Okay, we are ready, let's turn the lights off. As you see, they are very close to their color in the regular light, apart from yellow one, but yellows always are looking a bit more greenish under UV light. This is all for today, thank you very much for watching, I hope you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye! If you are on Instagram, pop into one of my accounts and say hello. I do arts and crafts, face painting, creative makeup and healthy food and travel. I hope to see you there.